like I just did glamour shots. I'm starting to get crow's feet. My whole face went crooked there. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial. I went with a peachy, shimmery, really light look today. Kind of summery actually, but we are going into spring, so it's kind of appropriate. Even though it was actually really cold in LA today. So I'm not really sure what happened. Anyways, keep watching and I hope you guys like it. Yeah. Okay. Fill in the brows, which I need to pluck those. Hold on. Perfect, brows are done. Now I will prep my eyes with the Mario Prep and Set. I think I'm gonna do this look with two palettes. The Mario Master Mattes palette and this one from Charlotte Tilbury, which is called, the fuck? Bigger, Brighter Eyes? Exagger-Eyes. It's called Exagger-Eyes, okay. It's a little quad. They're really, honestly, kind of overpriced, but it's pretty. It's like mauves and champagne-y shimmery colors, and then the Master Matte. So I'm gonna start with Mario's and go in with this nude. No, with this matte white shade, all under the eyebrows and in the inner corners to brighten up everything. Now I'm gonna go in with this really neutral matte brown here, and that's just gonna go all over the crease area. Now I'm switching over to the Charlotte Tilbury Exagger-Eyes, and I'm gonna go in with this matte kind of mauve, kind of brown color. Nope. Is that where I wanna go? No. Stop. Now I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna go in with this champagne shimmery color up here. It's kind of bronze, it's kind of peach, and I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush, and I'm putting this all over the crease area and blending it up towards the brow. Now I'll take the brown shimmery shade in a flat brush, and I'm gonna put that over the center of the eyelid and up to the crease. This is really shimmery. It doesn't hold like a ton of color, but it's really pretty shimmery shade. Now using the shimmery white shade, I'm gonna do the inner corner of my lid and a little under the brow. Now using Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Kohl brown eyeliner in Barbarella brown, I'm gonna line my eyeliner. What? I'm gonna line my lash line, and then I'm gonna slightly wing it out while I smudge it out with a brush. And I'm gonna smudge it out with the dark matte brown shade from the Makeup by Mario palette. And I'm gonna use this little angle brush. Okay, now that the liner's on, I think I wanna go a little darker. So I'm gonna go in with this Nars Duo. This is Surabaya. And I'm gonna go in with this darker shimmery brown shade and just put it in the very outer corner, just to give it a little more depth. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and do some quick mascara and then put on lashes, and I'll just do my typical Lilly lashes in Goddess, and I'll be right back. All right, eyes are finished for now. I don't really know. Face. So I already put on my moisturizer, now I'm just adding a little bit of eye cream. Now I will go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, because I need it today, I really need it today. And I'm gonna color correct, because my skin's like really upset. I don't know why. God, I'm so red. Whew. Now I'll put on my foundation, the Makeup Forever HD as always, and my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. All right, the skin is looking better. Let's give myself some color now with the Hoola bronzer. Let's just make me look alive, like I have a little color, like maybe I have left my house in the last year. Oh my gosh, I have fuzz on my nose. Okay, now we'll powder the usual MAC Light Plus what is this called again? I only use it every day. Mineralize Skin Finish, that. And then with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, I will dab that in on my forehead and cheeks. Okay, now let's finish under the eyes, shall we? I'm gonna go back to the Charlotte Quad. I'm gonna use a flat definer brush and I'm gonna put the matte shade, this kind of mauve-y one, underneath the lash line. I want the under eye to be a little bit darker than the top. And now using a little pencil brush, I'm gonna blend that out with the darker shimmery shade from the Nars Duo. Oh, I'm having shooting pain in my head. That's great. Okay, now I'm gonna line the waterline with the brown eyeliner. Whoops, that feels good. Oh. So for blush, since we're using all Charlotte Tilbury today anyway, I'm just gonna keep it up. And this is Cheek to Chic, and this is the Pillow Talk. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with Becca Champagne Pop and make myself super glowy. Should I just continue this Charlotte Tilbury extravaganza? Yeah, why not? We'll use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. For lipstick, I'm gonna use MAC Velvet Teddy. And then we're just gonna finish off the Charlotte Tilbury extravaganza with Refresh Rose Lip Gloss. It's so pretty. Glue down these eyebrows. Okay, that's it. Not too hard. Very shimmery. Very beautiful. Light and pretty. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I don't know if I feel that good about this. I don't feel great about this. I love this sweater though. I'm not crazy about my face, but I like the sweater. Maybe I should cut my hair. It's been a rough year. Isn't that what I'm supposed to do? Chop my hair off? I think that's as good as we're gonna get this time around.